If creating content feels hard every single time, there is a reason for that. Now, most entrepreneurs think that content is hard because they aren't creative enough or they're not confident enough, right? But after studying strong, impactful brands, I have learned something completely different, okay? Content actually feels hard when there is no structure. Okay, I'm LaMorvielle, and this is Brand Impact 365. I've challenged myself to post one video a day here for 365 days. And while I am posting, I am sharing what I'm learning about these brands. And I'm doing it while I'm also rebranding my own business. And again, sharing with you everything that I'm learning. So all I do every day is study brands, how they work, and why they are successful. And this one point keeps showing up again and again, okay? Strong brands do not start from scratch each time that they are posting. They already know what they talk about, who they're talking to, and why the content is existing in the first place. Here is often what happens instead for entrepreneurs, right? Entrepreneurs usually open up their phone and think, what should I post today? And that question makes content just feel so heavy, like a chore, right? Like a job. Okay. Strong brands already know the answer before they're even sitting down. Okay. Here's another reason that content might feel super hard when you're trying to post. Okay. The content has no job, right? If you do not know whether the content is meant to teach, attract, or guide, it actually becomes confusing to create. Strong brands already decide the purpose first, then the content becomes super simple. So here's the most important part of this video, okay? Content is not supposed to feel like a struggle, all right? When you have a very clear topic, clear goals, and clear structure, content actually becomes super easy, repeatable, and again, not exhausting. This is one of the main lessons that I am now applying while I'm rebuilding my own brand, L'Amour Fashions, and documenting it here with you on Brand Impact 365. So if this video has allowed you to think outside the box a little differently about how you post with your business, right? Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I truly do appreciate your support, friend. Thank you so much for watching. And that is it for today. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.